new plants from seed. We have to see how new plant grow from seed. There are one activity we should do at home to study how the new plant grow from seed. See what we have to do. You have to take some seeds of grams, peas or beans. All of you know what is grams, moong dal, okay? Then matki, okay? This all much comes in the grams. So take. Suppose you are taking the moong, okay? All peas or beans, चौड़ी की शेंग, ओके, वो ले सकते हैं आप. चौड़ी की बीन्स लेते हैं वो ले सकते हैं. पीस ले सकते हैं, मटर के दाने, ठीक है. इन सबको क्या करेंगे, इनमें से कुछ कोई भी एक लेके सम सीड्स लेके सोक करना है वाटर में. यू हैव टू सोक इट. इन वाटर फॉर 6 to 8 hours. Okay. After that, remove the water completely and take these seeds. You are observed that seeds are swollen. That leaves of the seeds are swollen up. Okay. Take these seeds in a plate, in a moist cotton plate. And keep this plate in the window under a sunlight for at least 6 to 8 hours. You will see the seeds are broken in two parts, and which seeds broken in two parts are called as dicot. And the seeds of wheat, maize, rice are broken in one. The seeds are comes from the one cotyledon. That's called the cotyledon, and this is called monocot. Okay. So take one more dish. Soak the wheat at least 12 hours, and take these seeds also in the moist cotton plate. Keep both in the window under sunlight. You will observe the monocot of the wheat and the dicot of the grams. See, remove these seeds. You will observe the very tiny shoot of the baby plant and the tiny root of the baby plants. From where this plant take the nutritious or food. Although it doesn't in the soil also doesn't get moist, only moist cotton is available and the sunlight is available. So the baby plant got its food from the seeds until it doesn't grow the leaves. Once the leaves is grown, the seeds are broken or detached from the baby plant, and this new baby plants grow individually by itself to the new plant. See, this is called the germination of the plant. The new plants grown from the seeds is called a germination. You will see the definition of germination. See, all of you do this activity at home and observe this phenomena, monocot and what is dicot. Wheat, maize, rice are called, the seeds comes with monocot and the grams comes with dicot. You all have to do this. Now we have to see what is the definition of germination. The formation of seedlings from the seed is called germination. Formation of seedling from seeds is called germination. What is seedling? This cotyledons, we are studying that dicot is formed and the seed is there. This is इसे हम क्या कहते हैं, मोड़ आने पर धान्य, राइट। तो इसी को कहते हैं सीडलिंग्स। That roots is come out from the dicot or monocot is called seedling. The formation of seedling from a seed is called germination. And this seedling, by getting the favorable condition, they grow into a new plant individually. Okay, so let's learn the definition of germination and do that activity. Let's see in the next chapter.